In this video, I'm going to show you where you can get Microsoft Access 2007. We're going to start at my website, which is plord.smccme.edu, and we're going to go down to the CMPT 110, which is Introduction to Databases, and scroll down to where to get Access 2007. We have an agreement with Microsoft, and it's the Microsoft Developers Network Academic Alliance, which is the Msdnaa. And I have a link up here to Howard's website, which is the Msdnaa. Howard's link to the Msdnaa. We'll go there. And Howard is the one that sets up the user IDs and passwords for this site. So if we go to the Msdnaa website, and we come up with its main page, but we have to go to the sign in up here. So we click on sign in, and what it's looking for is your email address, which is your username, and that is your SMCC email address, and it's the full thing. So it will be first name, middle initial, last name at student.smccme.edu. It has to be the whole thing. The password that you'll put in is a password that you would have received in your SMCC email. It comes up with a big, long, probably a subject line. It's something to do with Microsoft, the Msdnaa. Could get spam, so check your spam on that as well. But I'm going to log in here. So mine is my email address, is my username. And that doesn't look right. And we sign in. And of course it says welcome, and it has my user ID up here, or my username. So then we want to go down and we want to look at what we're interested in. There's all kinds of other stuff up here that you can get for free or very little, so take advantage while you do have an account here. That's great, but what we're looking for is an application, and it says that there are 30 applications here, so we'll click on that, and we're looking for Access 2007. Alright, so as you can see, it says free, but you still have to go through the whole process of adding it to your cart and filling out all of that information. So we can add it to our cart. And you did also notice, I went through this kind of fast, but there is Access 2010 up there as well. But we will be using, there is a big difference, so we will be using 2007, but you can download that one as well if you would like to look at it. So the next thing we want to do is we can just click on this, and oops, that was to the download. This in our cart. And then we have to go to checkout. That's what I said. They've changed the site a little bit, so I'm kind of fumbling around looking for everything up here. But you get the point. You can see Microsoft, what it is, and it comes up with all these, the guidelines that you have to read through. You have to accept them. Comes up with this. You have to fill out all of this information. I want to get to the page where it shows you your serial number, because that you can always go back in here and it's go into my software and you'll be able to retrieve that. So my last name, first name, email, no, proceed with order. Okay. Now the product key, that's what I was looking for. So now you can see this in here. This is your product key. When you actually go and download Access and go to install it, you're going to be prompted for a software key, and this is where you're going to find it. And we're going to end this video here. I think the rest, I think you can go through that and download it to your computer, your home computer, of course, and install it there.